Okay, hello and welcome back to another trade recap. Today I took two trades, lost one, and one break even. Overall, I'd say it was a pretty okay day because I didn't break any rules. And oh frick, I was watching TGR. And yeah, the break even one, I was really proud of the setup. Yeah, I'll show you everything in a sec. Okay, so let's look at the higher time frame first. I was looking at ES. Oh shit, every execution ever just popped up because we have way clearer price action. Like, look at this. This is the Friday. This is the NWAG I was talking about yesterday. Whoop. Yeah, this is the NWAG. And yeah, as you can see, the Monday made this big ass down candle. Tuesday consolidated. Or Wednesday today tapped into this NWAG, rejected nicely, and I was headed for Tuesday's low. That's what I was looking at. Um, Yeah, based on the NWAG, the top of the NWAG and the beautiful reaction. Next up, I noticed this. Also, it was FOMC at 8 my time, at 10 I think, New York time. Yeah, so I wasn't trading up until after 8. Uh, yeah, and then I see this. We reject beautifully off of this FVG. And if you didn't know, a common or the easiest way to tell your trend or the bias is if you're respecting bullish or bearish confluences. So say here, uh, with disrespect is high, that that means we're probably bullish. Just an example. Here we reject very nicely off of this low. Another reason to why we would be bullish right here. So with all things considered, we tap into this NWAG, get a beautiful reaction, right? That means I'm probably looking bearish. Then we make this our FVG, tap into it barely, and instantly reject. Another reason to be looking bearish. Yeah, so I scaled down. Um, Wait, let me throw on this actually. So I don't even know when I entered. Yeah, the only thing that was like stopping me or in my way was this IFVG on the 15-minute, which now that we look back at it, we rejected perfectly off of, and we made the IFVG and everything. Um, yeah, okay. So this was the trade right here. I think I had this marked out. Yeah, I had entry. Let's say this now. I had entry. Yeah, right. I had entry on this order block, 5-minute order block. Um, yeah. So I entered right here, and then I had stop above here and take profit right here on the Tuesday low, as I mentioned earlier. We came down, took out these equal lows, so I drew my or put my stop loss to break even, and yeah, as you can see, I got break even by this big ass candle. Um, yeah, now that I look back at it, I should have probably tried to see what happened. Tried to see what happened after this candle, right? Look at the 15-minute; it looks like obviously bullish. But yeah, so that was the break even trade. How do I remove the labels? Okay, boom. For the losing trade, I think I got kinda like overexcited. I was so happy or proud with this setup. It was also in perfect. How do I draw this out? Um, 1 sec. Yeah, here. Oh, that's the wrong way. it was also in equilibrium. So I was really proud of that setup. Mm-hmm. And this is gonna be NQ. So on NQ, we hadn't tapped into this, but I don't know. I was still looking hella bearish. Maybe based off my bias on NQ or on ES, which is kind of silly um, now in hindsight. But yeah, so I let me put this on. Yeah, entered off of this 1 min order block. I think yeah, I'd stop here, and this was gonna be a short one. TP right here. I wanted to see this. Uh, I wanted to see this get respected. We come down, take out this equal lows. That was kind of my goal here, just to take a scalp down to the equal lows. And then I wanted to see a rejection up maybe. Yeah, this was kind of a silly trade, I think, now that I look back at it, because first of all, dude, look at this. We inverse the FVG. Obviously, we're gonna shoot up, right? This candle, that candle, and then we disrespect this high. Everything basically tells us we're long. Also, we respect this bigger time frame FVG very nicely. So yeah, I think I gotta be a little bit more careful with my daily bias. Or yeah, wait, let me get back on there. I think I gotta make sure that my short-term bias aligns with my high time frame bias, because I still think this is gonna hit probably. Yeah, I think we're gonna maybe yeah, since it's kind of late, I think we're gonna stay in this range, and then tomorrow's candle is gonna be a big dumpy candle. Yeah, that's my take on everything, and hope you guys caught a W trade, unlike me. I was yeah still kind of happy with that break-even setup because everything aligned so perfectly. But yeah, see you next time.